Yeah, welcome to this video. We'll be learning what lot size is and leverage. So in Forex trading, we buy or sell currencies in standardized sizes called lots because the change in value of one currency compared to another is measured in pips, which is the fourth decimal place, except for gold and yen pair, which is the second decimal place, and therefore they are very tiny movements. So lots exist to enable people trade this small movement in large batches. So instead of buying a single unit of a particular currency, we are now buying it in bulk, and that is what is referred to as lots. The various standardized sizes that we have is one, the standard lot, the mini lot, the micro lot, and the nano lot. The number of units for the standard lot is 100,000. The number of units for the mini lot is 10,000. The number of units for the micro lot is 1,000. And the number of units for nano lot is 100. Now, when you look at the area that says volume, you will be seeing 1 for the standard lot, 0.10 for the mini lot, 0.1 for the micro lot, and 0.01 for the nano lot. Now I'm going to show you how it will look right on your MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5. Now look at that area that says volume. Now you see we have 0.01. This is how it will look on your PC. Here's how it will look on your phone. Now you can decide to choose the lot you want to use, and that area there where it says volume is where you will be imputing the values. So let's look how the lot size can correlate your profit or loss in the market. For a standard lot, you'll be making $10 per pip. For a mini lot, you make $1 per pip. For a micro lot, you make 10 cents per pip. And for a nano lot, you make 1 cent per pip. That's basically making pennies. Most standard accounts will only let you trade standard lots, mini lots, and micro lots. For you to trade nano lots, you have to get a very special account. And right here, we'll be looking at how to calculate the profit per pip. So let's give this example. Let's say we bought the EURUSD for 1.10895 and we sold at 1.10973. That's the difference of 7.8 pips. So if we are to calculate it, the profits per pip on a standard contract where we are making $10 per pip, we'll be making $78 for 7.8 pips. On a mini contract, we'll be making $7.80, and on a micro contract, we'll be making 78 cents. And right here, you need to know that this lot sizes here can also magnify your losses in the market. It can magnify your losses in the market. So you need to have a good risk management strategy in place before you make your decision on the type of lot size that you are going with in a particular trade. All right, so let's look at leverage. Leverage is one of the superpower that we have in the online market. It enables you to have a buying power that is more than the amount of money that you deposit in your account. Now, when you signed up with your broker, you were asked to select a certain leverage amount. At that point where you saw 1:100, 1:200, 1 maybe 400, and so on, that is what we refer to as leverage. Now let's look at this example. Let's say you chose the 1:200 leverage. What does it actually mean? It means that for every $1 in your account, your broker lets you leverage $200. So if you deposit $1,000 in your account and you choose a leverage of 1:200, you have access to $200,000. All right, you can pick a leverage and just try out your calculation so that you can get used to it better. So for this example, the 200,000 is your maximum leverage. That is the most you can take out in the market. Your true leverage is what you actually use at any given time. Let's say you're allowed to use up to $200, but you go ahead and use $50. Now that is your true leverage. You now still have more room to move around. So you don't want to use your maximum leverage for a single trade. You don't want to use your maximum leverage. That would be a bad idea. So leveraging gives you the advantage of getting a high return on your investment. You depositing a little amount of money and you being able to use a larger amount to trade. Therefore, you are magnifying your profit or your loss. So right here, you want to pay attention also to risk management, because you can lose all the money in your account if you don't understand risk management. So you want to pay attention to risk management before you make your choice on the leverage that you're going to be using for your trade.